5 pa. Akala ko isa na lang. Philippines! Oh my gosh, Gazini! I'm so happy.
Umiiyak na. Umiiyak na. Buntis ka talaga.
Wow, oh my gosh, that was nerve-wracking.
Yes.
Umiiyak na si Buntis.
Here's your question. I hear you have 5 names. Why so many?
Well, Steve, my mom named me Gazini, Christiana, Jordy, Ganado, and 3 of those is my first name. So Gazini, which means Gazan, which is from my dad's name.
Ang oy ko!
Christiana, because I was actually born after Christmas, so I'm December 26th. So what you guys don't know is that this is a great opportunity for me to shout out to all my friends and family who gives me one gift on Christmas and on my birthday. So,
Oh my God.
so guys, Steve, I only want one gift this Christmas and my birthday, and I think you already know about that.
It's okay, baby. She made it, baby. She made it.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna watch this. I'm not gonna go to my dentist. Because Gazini is here na. Sabi ko kanina, hindi ko na papanoorin kung wala si Gazini.
The second of our
Umiiyak ka talaga, OA mo.
Oh my God, no. Napipil ko lang.
Buntis kasi Tay. Buntis. Kaya emotional. Masaya yan.
Yeah,
I
I think I'm
felt
a
so
mermaid.
like bagang
I grew up in a
broken-hearted
pool.
na
I
hindi
used
siya
to practice
kasama
for
kanina
hours
sa
synchronous swimming every day.
Tapos,
when I'm
nung
in
tinawag niya
underwater,
siya,
I can
I
feel
felt
my
like bagang
confidence, I can feel
relieved na
powerful,
she's
and also
part of it na.
relaxed. You
Kasi
should try it.
she did like damon-durong na sacrifices and like trained so hard. As if nakita kong nag-training siya. Oh my gosh, I look ugly.
Mga buhay Pilipinas, what's up sa inyo dyan? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Duanta Condo. Ngayon, ang Miss Universe pageant. Laging nanonood si Shanta every year. And she always gets super excited about it. Diba, bebe? Okay. Buntis na siya, so medyo maselan siya. Mag-ingat po tayo sa kanya kasi ngayon, lumalabas ang pagkawaray niya. Diba, bebe? Ano?
Hindi naman ako masungit.
Masungit ka man.
Hindi ah.
Ayan, nakaset up na ako ng ilaw para sa reaction video ni Shanta. Okay, kasi every year, sobrang funny ang reaction ni Shanta sa Miss Universe pageant. Nanalo or talo, it's super funny. So ayan, panoorin po natin. Ready, Shan? We will do your reaction video na, Shan.
Dress for success. No matter where
Boy,
you start,
Gazini na.
the possibilities for your future are limited only by the depths of your own imagination.
Philippines.
Inday! Ayuha!
The world is aging, and my grandparents raised me, and I've worked in an organization that was supporting for elderly care. I learned then, I realized that there's this stigma between ageism, poverty, exclusivity, and invincibility. It is rightful for us to remember that they were the ones who paved the way for us, and we should reciprocate that love, and no one should ever be left behind. Thank you.
Tito Boy! Yung student mo.
Venezuela.
To sing it, prosper. Right now, in
Hindi ko alam, bebe, kung papasok si Gazini sa top 10 kung ba yun. Hindi. Kasi ang daming, matalino, educated, may mga master's degree, may mga lawyer, may mga pilot.
Hindi mo kailangan maging ganyan kung magaling kang sumagot pa din. 1, 2, 3.
3 na. Top 5 ba to?
No,
Top 10.
10.
Let's go.
Come from a multicultural family.
Ano ka ba?
The fourth to move forward tonight. South Africa.
Of course.
Peru.
Okay.
Iceland.
Oh my gosh! Parang feeling ko si Iceland, no? She's so pretty.
The eighth contestant entering the next round. Indonesia.
Laka, Shanta. Alaka.
2 spots left.
Oh!
Finals.
Brazil is still there.
Goes to Thailand.
Oh my gosh!
Ala.
Oh my gosh! Isa na lang!
11 women left, but only 1 spot remains. And it goes to
Oh!
Mexico.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, bebe. Tingnan
Wait,
mo.
so Brazil didn't get in. Venezuela didn't get in.
Hala. Lahat ng magaling, hindi pumasok. Mga mandirigma lang nakapasok.
Wait, baka like meron pa. Wait, no.
Wala na, bebe.
I don't get it.
What do you mean you don't get it?
Why did Brazil waray na kaupod? And Venezuela and Philippines.
Top 10 na yan, Shan.
These women are quite literally the best of the best.
What?
They are ready to compete as hard as they can.
Oh my gosh!
On Miss Universe
Are you sure?
2019.
Yes, bebe. Gazini didn't make it.
90-20 down to 10 Indonesia. Congratulations!
Wait, I don't understand.
Super excited to be here.
Gazini didn't make it.
No, maybe there's more.
There's no more.
Winner, Philippines.
National
Right
costume.
here, I thought I had on something fly, but girl, you just woo. Yes.
It's not Philippines, it's Malaysia.
I just read that in the teleprompter. Y'all gonna keep doing this to me. I can read what it said now. They trying to fix it.
I was like asking why she's there, and like Gazini was on the photo.
Si Steve Harvey laging nagkakamali, no? Oh, bebe, anong feeling mo?
Wala akong kilay.
Wala na, Shanta. Tapos na.
Anong tapos na?
Tapos na.
Hindi pa tapos, hindi na ako manonood.
Wala na ang Pilipinas, bebe. Wala na si Gazini. Sayang. Si Australia din eh. Kahit sa top 20, wala siya. Hindi siya kasama. Pumapalpak eh. Pumapalpak ang Miss Universe ngayong
Like,
taon.
Brazil waray ngadto and Venezuela waray ngadto. I was expecting them to be there.
Yeah,
Kaupod
mga
yun.
magagaling, no? Wala sa top 10. Grabe. Daya, bebe, no? Yun lang.
Sige na, ayoko na.
Ayun, to the fam, sayang talo ang Pilipinas. Talo din ang Australia.
Baka meron pang...
Way lami ba? Way lami.
Baka meron pang wild card.
Wild card? Whole day na ang reklamo ni Shanta hanggang gabi pa yon. Ako na lang bahala sa buntis. Okay guys, we'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Kita kits!
Hi, I'm Greg, and I use PhilTalk.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may PhilTalk ako.
Ako di ay si Dwayne, ug na ako'y PhilTalk.
Magandang PhilTalk kasi para siyang social media para sa Pilipinas. At para rin sa mga dayuhan na gustong matutong mag-Tagalog or mag-Bisaya. It connects Filipinos to people from other countries na interesado sa ating kultura.
PhilTalk is great because now my husband can learn to speak my native language.
Yeah, so if you talk about me, I'll understand. Mag-ingat ka, ha?
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, PhilTalk is awesome.
It's simple. Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
If you sign up with a free account, you get to do things like post your status, add friends, join groups, and really connect with the Filipino people.
And if you sign up for a premium account, you get all of that, plus full access to a Tagalog program and a Visayan learning program.
PhilTalk is a way for foreigners to connect to the Philippines and for Filipinos to connect with foreigners.
PhilTalk.
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 Connect, learn, and discover with PhilTalk. Sign up to PhilTalk today.
You're beautiful, shine like a star.
Ito on the fam, Shanta is at her dentist appointment. Nag-text siya sa akin. Sabi niya na she's happy for South Africa for winning, but she wishes Gazini got to showcase her swimsuit and evening gown on a bigger stage than the preliminaries. Ayan, okay. Alright on the fam, we will see you sa sunod na video natin. Abangan! Bye-bye.